It's Saturday, and ooh, I did not get that much sleep last night, but we ain't gonna even get into that. Y'all know why I didn't sleep. So Kelly is asleep now. Adrian worked this morning, so he came back in. He's asleep. I think Cam just woke up, so I probably have to go upstairs and get him situated to see what I'm gonna make him for breakfast. As you can see, that lasted all of 1.2 minutes. As soon as I went and got the broom and started sweeping, Kelly woke up. So I guess I'm gonna just take her upstairs with me so we can see what Cam up to. Good morning. She's sleeping. I'm in here slaving hard making pancakes this morning. And where Cam at? Adrian gave Cam a popsicle.
No, Cam big.
Who does that? Boo, why you give him that popsicle?
Cam is big enough, he gets his own popsicle.
Alright.
We don't have to give Cam.
We can say no.
Yeah, he's such a good job.
Look at these. Look at these pretty pancakes. Well, you know these pancakes are pretty.
See what I'm saying?
We like pancakes with the crisp around them. If they don't have the crisp, then we ain't eating it. Those are bigger than
I'm gonna be in front.
So we ended up coming outside. Let me take these out. Because it's a pretty day, but it's really windy. I thought that it would be cool for Callie to be out in it, but it's not. So me and Callie are in the garage. She in the bassinet sleep anyways. Cam and Adrian, well, Adrian watching Cam. Cam playing with his dinosaurs, feed my plants his dinosaurs, basically. But yeah, so today was just a really nice, chill day. I'm gonna continue to do some work on my computer. But yeah, so I'm just glad to be outside and just, you know, even though I'm not outside, I'm glad to be out of the house. Let me say that. There goes my Kelly girl. Hi, Kelly girl. Hey, mama. Hi, Kelly. So I just got out of the shower, y'all. It's like 5:30 p.m. and I put my pajamas on. These are actually men's pajamas. I wish I could see what size, I mean, like how big they are. But anyways, I just been buying big stuff since having a baby. So I wanted to show y'all some Amazon products I got. So I ordered a couple more pair of sunglasses because the ones I have in my car, I think are too fancy. Like, I just need some. These look kind of fancy too. These are probably some that I'll just take if I'm riding around or like do photo shoots with. So these are giving very much, y'all know the black, these kind of look like the black Versace shades. That's what they give until you walk up on it and see there's not a Versace sign. See how the little emblem on the side? These are so nice and they're dark. Y'all look at that. Look, like I'm just standing from the side, right? Boom. I really like the gold on the side. So yes, I feel like I can just wear these around and about. I really like these sunglasses. I think I only paid like $15 for them. Definitely if you far away, then somebody probably would think you have on Versace sunglasses. But these are just like no name. It's just a circle with a star on it. $15. So yes, I'm probably gonna wear these all the time. I'm just gonna be honest. And I love sunglasses. I have a lot of designer sunglasses, but sometimes it just be time out for the expensive stuff. And let's just wear the stuff that's budget friendly, that's still cute. So these were $15, and I'll link them in my Amazon store. I think so. These must be the ones that I got to put in the car. I think we got some left ones. Yes. So these I got just to wear. You know, you out running errands. You know, you stopping to get gas. You know what I'm saying? And yes, these are giving like these. I really like the black ones and what they give. I do. But to me, this is giving effortless. This is giving rich black woman. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all, these are so nice and cute. I think these were like probably about the same price. $14 or $15. I really like these. I may need to get 2 pair of these. Like one for my car and one for my work car. Yes. These are even nice. Like if you out and about, you going to grab lunch and you still want to keep your glasses on while you in, you know, just to kind of, you know, just, you know, keep your look together, then boom, you can rock these. Okay, so I got that. I'm trying to hurry up. I gave Cam his tablet so he can be occupied. Kelly is taking one of her infamous cat naps, so trying to get through this before I have to be back on Mama Duty. And so the last thing that I got was, this is the nano steamer. Y'all look how big this thing is. Let me step back so y'all can see. Okay, so when I ordered this, I thought it was small. I thought it was probably, let me see. I don't know why, but I thought it probably was about the size of this lotion bottle, right? I mean, this body wash. Let's open it. So this was over here and I got it out the box. And I said, girl, this box is huge. I don't remember requesting something this big because I want to start getting into facials and stuff. For me, 2023 is all about manifesting the life that I want to live and speaking things into existence, and also self-care. And I got to keep my skin up because, you know, she wants to look young and supple, okay? The skin is going to continue to give what the skin has been giving if I keep doing what I'm doing. So anyway, I wanted to like turn it up a notch and get a steamer. So this is the steamer. Of course, whenever I try it out, I'll let y'all know. But I thought this was big. My sister said she didn't think it was big. She said all the people that she see on like TikTok and Instagram that have steamers, they have a steamer this size. But I wanted a small steamer. But that's neither here nor there. I got it. I'm not sending it back. And I want to say, ooh, I don't remember how much I paid for it. It wasn't too bad though. It was like either $35 or $40. What's wrong? It was like $35 or $40. So I feel like that's still a good price. I'm gonna link it in my Amazon store, but I wouldn't buy just yet until I actually try it out. So those are the 3 things that I got from Amazon. I had some other stuff that I opened that I didn't get to film because again, it's like really hard and I'm trying to film or find little moments where I can film. But yeah, so that's all I want to show y'all right now. So today is the day of the influencer event. I am, of course, running late because I have a newborn, but it is what it is. So y'all, I'm trying out this Ambi moisturizing, this Ambi moisturizer because I'm like finna, you know, go outside in the sun. It has SPF 30 in it. So I'm gonna try that and put it on the front of my makeup. I am excited to go. I just realized it's not that far from the house, so I should be cool with time, but I am so hungry. So depending on what time I get there, because I think it's supposed to have like light snacks. You know, light snacks is probably just fruit and crackers, child. I need some meat. So if I get there before time, then I may grab something quick, like a little 4-piece nugget or something. If not, then I'll just have to thug through. The event is from 2 to 4. And I'm just going to put just a little bit of makeup on just because I'm just not really like a full coverage girl. And I really don't have that much time. So let me get started. So this is the final look. This is the dress I got at Marshall's. This little blue jean Michael Kors purse. These sandals I got from Sam Edelman. I have on a Burberry watch and just like a random Sheen bracelet. And then on this side, I have some gold Louis Vuitton bangles. For fragrance, I went with Chanel. Let me see. I did the Chanel Tendre, whatever it is, child. So anyways, that's what we doing. And I'm about to go. So this is the makeup. I just did a matte lip. I didn't really know what to put on my lips. And I had necklaces on at first. And I was like, I'll just do some statement earrings. So these are the earrings. I think I got these at New York Company years ago. Hair in a bun. Definitely need to take my braids out. But y'all see where it's going. Just a natural little beat. You know, not doing too much. Just giving the girls a little. Okay, so I just made it. I don't even know where to park at, but what's crazy is I come over here a lot. Well, I go to the Target back here, but I guess I've never been on this thing. I was gonna take my purse, but I'm gonna see if somebody else get out with their purse. I'm gonna put my purse. I may put it up under the seat before I go in, but here we go, and just take my phone in. Okay, so I got Texas two-step first, and then this is the scorecard where you rate it. Is that one? Oh Lord, that's the first one. So I'm about to try this one first. Okay, so I just made it home from the event. Look at that. That's what happens when you get a cheap tripod and your camera is heavy. But anyway, they gave us these little parting packages. I'm assuming it probably got popcorn in it, but I just decided to open it on camera to be just as surprised as y'all. Okay, man. See, this one I ain't got time for. Alright, let's see. Lord, I'm gonna cut my hand. Okay. Oh, open it this way. I don't like that light. Let me turn this way so it won't be no backlights. What is inside of this? Okay. A little note. Okay. Oh, it's cute. So it looks like a little popcorn package. I wanted to tell us the flavors though. Texas two-step, which that one wasn't my favorite, and ebony and ivory. My favorite was actually the dill pickle. Oh, and some hand sanitizer. Let me show y'all the dill pickle one. This is the one I like, the dill pickle. So good, so good. Okay, so for dinner we had lasagna. Adrian made lasagna, and then that's just green beans, and we had some garlic bread. And it was delicious. So the event was nice. The area is an area that I'm familiar with. I actually go to the Target over there. I just never look in the shopping centers. So oh no, it was cool. It wasn't a lot of people. The store was small, so I guess that's kind of good that there wasn't a lot of people. I actually met somebody that I follow on Instagram. I only knew her as like Beehive. I think it's like Beehive Queen, something like that. But anyways, we exchanged numbers. She was really nice. I enjoyed talking to her the whole time. Basically just talking about how fake social media is and stuff like that. So all in all, I was glad that I got out of the house and I enjoyed myself.